aftermath. You would perhaps have me write poems of bittersweet love on sun-kissed mornings, of how our sandaled feet splashed across pavements on rainy afternoons when monsoon downpours burst upon us in orgasmic urgency. Brief moments of ecstasy that left us drenched, the aftermath infinitely more permanent than the event. Aftermath, that is what it always crumbles to, like the precarious towers made of dreams that we are so adept at building. How I dreamt that you would be my savior from the neurotic web of nothingness that ensnares me in its fatal allure, and how I dreamt, and how you dreamt that I, in my fear disguised as calm, would embody every pristine boyhood dream you had before the scarlet of betrayed hopes left that stain across your battered soul. Ah, but dreams are fragile, sweetheart, as you and I will know, for they crumble to dust with an untimely question, a half-articulated doubt, a wing clipped in mid-flight. The house of cards you built yesterday could not withstand your deep, soul-weary sigh. So we stand across each other in the debris of the aftermath, weighed down by the failure of the punchline that was never delivered and the climax that never came. Yes, I think I will write poems of bittersweet love on sun-kissed mornings.